Good morning, Ghost Rai. Join us for a morning of awareness and community spirit. The FSM, Division of Anti-Human Trafficking Services under the Department of Justice, invites you to our walk against trafficking in person. Fun walk on Saturday the 27th. Time 6 a.m. Starting point at the Bank of FSM parking lot. Route from the starting point into Little Town and back. After the walk, stick around for refreshments and connect with fellow community members passionate about combating the human trafficking issue. This event aims to commemorate the World Day Against Trafficking in Person and strengthen our community's resolve to prevent and combat this issue. Your participation makes a difference. Remember, we can make FSM safer for everyone. See you at the starting line. Good morning. Lain mo assume na yen gumashwayan, FSM Anti-Human Trafficking Services, ye Department of Justice, elos inge tafuma kanon rate malalos, ke round lalos, ke takafinen FSM, ashfinen goshai, ke lucien wixinge, elosin ka in akyokye, campaign lalos, ke World Against Trafficking in Person, lain lowen ityosh, ke maliminge, July. Calendar na duman, pesingen lomsiman, kofin national lan neighbor loman, magiye in ak esmakin yekumla. Liturengin sette ha, July len loan ityosh, Division saying Anti-Human Trafficking Services, elos ako in kadie ke funwalk se matawe ke parking lot lan Bank of FSM, wawat lafin causeway lilan, fast round yak ke town lilan, FLO. Ash free t-shirt giveaways na sin participants sin Division saying and we refreshments my on the Bancom, aka finishing line.